entering Tier 4 F Burgers. Congratulations to all the winners.
See you tomorrow at the Palarong Pananabigan 2025 last day. Calling the attention of the officiating officials for boxing. Calling the attention of the officiating officials for boxing. Kindly approach the clerk of courts. Okay, basta po ang awarding sa boxing. Joke lang po, joke lang. Ladies and gentlemen, the awarding ceremony for Palarong Pananabigan 2025 boxing events. To start with, under 17 boys speedweight over 44 to 46 kilograms. Silver medalist, Cluster 6, Chris Antonio K. D. Dalanon of Malbog National High School. Coach Amy Y. Arcelo. Gold medalist, Cluster 5, from Morocorogan Integrated School, Jomar B. Sulibaga. Coach Ernesto Nuevo. Next, under 17 boys light flyweight 46 to 48 kilograms division. Bronze medalist, Cluster 6, Jamel N. Montes from Malbog National High School. Coach Aimee V. Arcelo. Silver medalist, Cluster 3 from Cristeta C. Bagano Memorial High School, Mr. Anthony Franz Balatucan. Coach Aldrin M. Abelia. And the gold medalist from Cluster 4, representing Aroroy National High School, Jason D. Valdemoro. The coach, we have EFG Red Kapiling. Under 17 boys flyweight over 48 to 50 kilograms division, bronze medalist, Cluster 1, Pedrito D. Alvarez from Osmeña National High School, Rosaline R. Bartolay, coach. Silver medalist from Cluster 6, Ray V. Atibagos of Malbog National High School. The coach, Aimee V. Arcelo. And the gold medalist, Jose Lazaro M. Guardame of Cluster 3 from Mobo National High School, with the coach, Aldrin M. Abelia. Under 17 boys light bantamweight over 50 to 52 kilograms, silver medalist, Cluster 3, John Lawrence T. Rapera from Cristeta Bagano Memorial High School, with the coach, Aldrin M. Abelia. And the gold medalist, Cluster 6, JB B. Medalla of Edens Christian Academy, coach, Aimee V. Arcelo. Next category, under 19 boys flyweight over 48 to 50 kilograms, bronze medalist, Cluster 4, Renz Inopia from Amador Bello National High School, with Jason